Hi guys, another quick video about battery, Lipo battery connectors. I'm showing you this battery with this ST30 and JST connectors. So the reason why I buy this battery is that I have micro brushless quad that uses the 11.1 volts Lipo battery. So some of them has JST plug, some of them has ST30. So I was thinking of buying a battery that supports both type of connections so that I can have multi-use, so I don't have batteries lying around idle without being used. So that's one of the reasons why I bought this Lipo battery with two different connectors. Another reason why I bought this battery with two connectors is that with XT30, it has only been used recently and it hasn't been very widely used, but in time it will be widely used. But in the meantime, all the balanced charging cable that comes with your balance charger, they don't have a ST30 connector. They have ST60, they do have a JST and other types of connector. So you can buy, if you use this battery just for XT30, you need to charge this with the balance charger. So if your balance charging cable doesn't come with a ST30, so you don't have to go buy another cable if you buy this battery with two types of connector, because your usual cable will usually have this JST connector. So you can use this for your quad and use this for balance charging, so that there's no need to make another cable to charge your ST30 or to buy a new set of balance charging cables. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Until next time, cheers.